Patel, founder of MROBOTIcs Private Limited, and our company was established in 2022 and is based in Makarpura, GIDC, Vadodara. At MROBOTIcs, we work in industrial automation and robotic solutions. Our goal is to make manufacturing more efficient, precise, and safe with the help of technology. Our mission is to make automation simple, reliable, and easy to use for every industry. And our vision is to support India's Industrial 4.0 movement to help companies more toward smarter and connected engineering sector. One of our main focus is a new generation collaborative robot. It is designed to work safely with people and can be used for welding, pick and place, assembly, and machine tending. The best part is it's flexible and very easy to use, and with minimum training and user-friendly interface, your team can have it running in hours rather than weeks, reducing downtime and fast tracking your return of money. This is our first time participant in Engiexpo, and we are very excited. It's a great platform for brand exposure, local awareness, and lead generation. It is help us connect with more industries and partner to share ideas and grow together. Through events like Engiexpo, we want to share the vision and help build a smarter and sustainable industrial future and growth.